Sunny Fruit gifted me their organic mangoes, and I've already given these a try. They're amazing. And what I love to start off with is that they come in a sealed package, and then inside it, they come in their own separate snack packs to both slow you down, and if you don't want to eat all of it in one sitting, you can put it back in the resealable bag. On top of that, these are fully certified organic and non-GMO, so you know you're getting a really high quality product. And I love right now, this is open and all I can smell is mango. So let me show you what you get here. There are definitely these smaller pieces of mango here that have been fully dried. And while they are a little on the harder side since they are dried mango, they're still quite soft as well. And they are absolutely delicious. They very clearly were dried at the height of this mango's ripeness. There's nothing else added, no sugar, no preservatives. This is just dried mangoes. And I'm going to tell you right now that I'm really glad these do come in small serving packets, as I will be finishing one of these small servings every time. They are so delicious, so vibrant, really, really wonderful, healthy, natural snack for you, for your kids, for really anybody to enjoy. I love these and I highly recommend these dried mangoes from Sunny Fruit.